Hey guys, it's Yesenia back with another video. You're probably wondering, why do I look like this?
Boy, if you don't get...
Well, it's raining. It's been raining the whole day. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but yeah, it's literally been raining the whole day. It's literally crusty, dusty, ugly, musty outside, and not excited about that. So today I plan on doing a deep cleaning video on my room. I'm not sure if I've ever showed y'all. I think I have showed y'all my room, but I'm gonna be deep cleaning my room because it really needs it. I just want to wash like my sheets, and I need to fold a bunch of clothes and dust a lot of things off in here because it's just like it needs to be clean. It just doesn't smell clean in here anymore. So I'm not with that. So yeah, make sure y'all like this video, comment down below, and subscribe. And let me just jump into the video because I don't want to make this intro too long. So let's go. So let me kind of show y'all what I'm working with. This is what we're working with. Yeah, it's a lot of clothes, a lot of water bottles, etc., etc. I feel like it could be worse, but you know, it's not that bad, you guys. Like, I promise, it's not that bad. Yeah, so this is just my little outfit for today. I'm probably gonna work out before I do this, but look at that. There's a bunch of like dust particles on here. Don't touch your mirror, like I just did. But yeah, I need to dust this off for sure, and I'm pretty sure this is dusty too. I told ya, it's dusty. So I gotta do a lot of dusting, and yeah, I'm gonna get straight into this video. I just kind of wanted to run down everything that I need to do with you guys, but I will end up explaining it again as I'm doing everything in the video. So yeah. So I'm just going to be starting off with my laundry just because that's my least favorite thing to do, and I want to go ahead and get that out of the way. Well, this is terrible. The whole time I thought everything was recording smoothly. Clearly it wasn't. Alright, you guys, so here's a bit of an update. So far so good. I'm almost done. As you can see, these are all of the clothes that I'm done with. This and these here, and yeah, I do not have that much considering I started at 11 and it's only 11:26, so I'm gonna listen to music and continue on folding and putting up my clothes. Alright, so here's an update. I'm basically done with everything. I did put a few things up, like my underwears and stuff like that, but I just need to go ahead and put up my socks, and I have to put up these shirts. These are like crop tops, or like like going out shirts, and then over here these are all of my pajama shirts slash like t-shirts, because I wear some of my pajama shirts like out because they're just regular t-shirts that I sleep in. That's really about it. So that's why I got a bunch of t-shirts there. And then I have my leggings that I need to put up. I have a lot of like workout leggings and one pair of or two pair of sweatpants and one more pair of leggings, and I have shorts here. And yeah, that's really about it. And then I need to take off my comforters and go put them to wash. And if you're wondering what these are, these little tissue sheets, these are dryer sheets. So yeah. So I'm basically putting all of my clothes up, and I'm trying to put my clothes away, and you can see my cat is just clawing his little paws into my comforters, so I had to kick him out of my room. And yeah, I am just finishing up putting away my clothes, nothing fun. So after stripping my bed sheets, I took it downstairs to wash them, and here I'm just dusting off my ceiling fan. It gets very dusty. So normally, since I just cleaned the fan with the Swiffer, I normally change the Swiffer out, but the fan wasn't even like dusty as I thought it was gonna be. You see, so it's practically still clean, so I'm just gonna Swiffer my headboard of my bed. So I'm going to take everything off of my nightstand, Swiffer everything off, and wipe it down with a Clorox wipe. After that, of course, put everything back on my nightstand. So right next to my nightstand, I have this little medicine cabinet drawer, whatever you want to call it. I got this at Goodwill, I think like last year. But anywho, I use that to store my perfume and then my camera on the top shelf. But I'm just Swiffering it off and taking everything off of it and cleaning it, of course, and then I'm gonna put everything right back on. I recently just Swiffered everything, as in like my perfume bottles and everything like that, because they get accumulated with dust a lot of times, and I typically do that like every month, so I'm not gonna do it again. Alright, so I did my nightstand, and this little area over here where I keep like all of my perfumes y todo eso, where I keep all of my like perfumes and stuff, you know. And it's been an ugly day, so I haven't opened up like my curtains, but of course I'm gonna like Swiffer the blinds and stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my desk first, take everything off, Swiffer everything and wipe everything down, and then move on. Actually, no, I think I'm gonna do, yeah, I am. I'm gonna do my windows first because the dust is gonna fall over here where my desk is anyways, so I would just be doing like double the work. So I'm gonna go ahead and just push my desk forward and grab me like a stool because short people problems. I always like to dust down my blinds and then clean my window, just because your blinds do tend to get very dusty, as well as everything else. I feel like anytime I'm making a cleaning video, I'm always raving about the Sprayway glass cleaner. It's just one of my go-to and favorites. I just love the way it smells. Let me know in the comment section if you guys are cleaning along with me. I don't know if it's just me, but I really enjoy to clean and have like background noise going on, or watching somebody else clean. I don't know, I just feel more motivated to get everything done. I feel like that's kind of weird. Hopefully I'm not alone on this, but yeah. Right next to my desk, I have my ring light, and I'm going to Swiffer that off, as well as kind of like the border, I guess it's what you would call it, the border of my mirror. And then I'm going to glass clean my mirror with the Sprayway cleaner that I showed y'all. So here's my chancletas, and then this is me trying to show y'all the results of how clean my mirror is. But yeah, very satisfied. I'm always satisfied when I use my Sprayway cleaner. I'm gonna go ahead and do this section of my room. Of course, the usual Swiffer everything off, and then wipe it down with like a Clorox wipe. So let's go. Okay, so I'm done with this little area over here that's right next to my TV. Now I'm going to do my big mirror on the other side, which is over here right next to my bed, and I also need to do this shelf. So I'm just going to be sweeping everything off with not everything off, I'm sorry, sweeping my floors with a broom and picking it up with a little dustpan. I believe that's what it's called. I'm pretty sure it is. But yeah, I'm going to be picking it up with the recogedor. And now I'm going to suction up all of like the little particles left behind with a vacuum. Of course, last but not least, I'm going to make my bed, of course, with some fresh sheets. I love having some nice fresh sheets. I love the smell of when it's nice and clean. All of that juicy stuff. Yeah, so I'm just making my bed and tucking in the little like thin sheet. I can't remember what it's called. A lot of people don't use it apparently, but I do because I tend to get really hot at night and I don't want that big comforter on me, so I use the little thin one. So yeah, and of course I have to add my little pillows. It gives it more of like a aesthetically pleasing look of the bed, I feel like. Alrighty, you guys, so I am done deep cleaning my room. I feel great. I feel like, yes girl, you don't have to clean on Domingo no more. So excited about that, and I feel like I'm gonna dive into a nice little weekend, especially since my room is all nice and fresh and clean. But yeah, let me know if you guys were cleaning along with me. If not, that's okay. And I hope everybody's having a good day or good night whenever you're watching. And don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you want. I'd really appreciate it, and I will see y'all next time.